Stories have the power to move us. They can spur us to do the impossible. Good stories give us a framework for how to look at life. And in business, the most influential stories are based on actionable data.
In this Nanodegree program, we'll be weaving data into stories and visuals using various tools and techniques. Stories are a powerful way to draw on the audience, make sense of data, and help businesses make better decisions.
Whether you have a data background and you want to maximize the impact of your analyses, or a business background and want to persuade others to make more data-driven decisions, this program will help you combine the power of data analysis and storytelling to make you a more effective and persuasive communicator.
Throughout the program, you'll build projects where you showcase all the data storytelling skills you've been learning. You'll combine interactive storytelling with data animation across 2 platforms, Tableau and Flourish. You'll not only learn how to create stories using Tableau, but also how to incorporate advanced animations and narration into your stories.
Enroll and unleash your inner storyteller.